Okay, students, so in this lecture, let's focus to make a simple poster, something like this. Before that, if you toggle to the Google and if you type poster size in search bar, then you can find a standard poster size from this link. Okay, so you can find ISO A series poster size from here, as well as UK Billboard poster size. So these are the standard size, but guys, your client may request a different size. So before you start to work on your client project, let's discuss with them and make sure to gather information like what is the size they need, and what kind of image to use, and what are the text content, and brand identity related informations like brand logo, company details, product image, so on. Okay, so I have a A4 document on my screen, and students, you must make sure to create the document with CMYK color mode and 300 dpi resolution. So follow my steps as I taught you in my previous lessons. And also I have attached this image file with this lecture, so make sure to download it. And now let's begin to design. First, I am going to convert this image into black and white to apply a halftone pattern like this. So for that, I am going to use Photoshop. So let's drag the image into your Photoshop software, and then from here make a duplicate of this layer and turn off the background layer. Okay, and before make it black and white, I just want to remove the background from this lady. So choose select subject. There you go. And guys, in some places it seems the selection is not properly applied, so let's add a selection with the curvature pen tool to fix them. Okay, so let me do that. There we go. Now tap Ctrl Shift I to inverse the selection because I want to delete the background, right? Then I'll tap delete key and deselect the current selection. Okay, now let's make it black and white. So choose image, mode, grayscale, and tap don't merge option, and tap discard. There you go. Okay, so before adding halftone effect, I have a few more tweaks need to be done. So tap Alt Ctrl L and set the highlight value to 201 and midtone value to 1.18. So guys, you can type these values in these boxes. Okay, and guys, I want to make this portion of the image to be smoothly blended with the background. So before that, let's create another layer and fill it with white color. Okay, and let's place it behind the image layer. Now activate the image layer and let's try to add a feather effect to this area. To do that, toggle to this add layer mask option. Now you can see in here it's added a thumbnail called layer mask, and guys, we can select image thumbnail and as well as layer mask thumbnail if we click on that. So make sure layer mask thumbnail is active, and then make sure foreground color is black. If not, click this reset button and click this switch foreground and background button. So you can set the black color as a foreground color, and then let's pick brush tool from here, and let me set the brush tip size around 500 pixels from here, and make sure other values as it is, as you see in my screen. Okay, now slightly paint over these area as I'm doing to make a nice feather effect. So you can see it's nicely blend with the white background. So guys, in case if you need, you can tap left or right square bracket key to change the brush tip size. Okay. Okay, now let's right click on the layer and choose convert it to smart object, and then choose select all to select the all layers in the current document. Then let's copy it, so choose edit, copy, and go to the Illustrator document and tap Ctrl V to paste it. Now I want to add a color halftone effect to this image. To do that, choose effect, pixelate, color halftone. Then guys, make sure to enter same value for max radius and in other 4 channels as you're seeing here. Also guys, you can try with different values and check what happened. Okay, now if I click OK, then I can make halftone style. Now I just want to change the color tone, so you know how to change the color. So toggle to the edit and choose edit color and choose convert to grayscale. Now I can change the color tone if I pick a color from the suggest panel, right? But guys, I want to apply this exact color, so let me double click this to open a color picker for fill color option, and type here 3B59 and click OK. So you can use whatever the color you want, because it's not compulsory to use exact color code here. Now let's flip it horizontal from the transform panel, and then from the pathfinder panel, let's align it to the artboard. So guys, make sure align to artboard option is active here, and click horizontal align left and vertical align top. There you go. Then from the transform panel, activate the top left corner point and make sure this link is on. Then I'll change the width to, let me try 140 millimeter and tap enter key. There we go. Okay, now I am ready with the image, so let's try to create this text effect. So with the type tool, let's type Revlon, right, and make it a bigger font size. So let's try with 102 pt, and I'm gonna use a font type called Graphic Bold. You can download this font type from resource folder if you need to use the same font. I already taught you how to install fonts, so let's try with that. Okay, and let's align its center using the line panel. There we go. Now let me try to create this shadow effect. To do that, first let's outline this text object. So right tap and choose outline. Now make a copy above it, so tap Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then change the color of it to lighter gray color from here, and let's make another duplicate and place it slightly below like this. So you have to follow the position, right? So you have to follow the diagonal position and place it below over here, and then tap Ctrl Shift left square bracket key to send it behind, and change the color of it to white from here. Now I'm gonna blend this white text object and gray text object. To do that, select both text objects with hold the shift key, then choose object, blend, make. Now let's double click this blend tool. So guys, if you can't find this tool, make sure to activate the advanced tool from Windows, toolbar, advanced. So if you can't find the toolbar option, so make sure to tap this arrow button and go up, then you can find the toolbar. Okay, then double click the blend tool, and from here select specified steps. Then let me change the value here to 100, and if I toggle the preview mode, I can see the different here. Okay. So guys, the both text element is smoothly blended and made a nice color transition from gray tone to white tone. So click OK, and then tap Ctrl Shift left square bracket key to send it behind. Now I can change the color of the text above it. There we go. Okay, and let's again with the type tool, let's type bring perfect beauty. Okay, and let's change the font size to, let's try with 40 pt, and then change the font type to Mistral, so you can download the same font from the resource folder. Okay, then let's align its center, and then you can adjust the position using your arrow keys. Okay, so likewise guys, I'm gonna create other elements, so let's follow my video and try to do the same. Okay, Okay, now I want to add the same shadow effect as I added to this text object. So select the yellow circle and make a copy above it. So tap Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and then change the color to light or gray from here, and then make another duplicate and place it below diagonally like this, right? And then tap Ctrl Shift left square bracket key to send it behind, and then change the color to white. Now select both white and gray circles and make it blend. Then double click the blend tool and change the values here. There we go. Now tap again Ctrl Shift left square bracket key to send it behind. Then with the type tool, type G, and then you can adjust the font size as you need. And guys, let me change the font type also to graphic bold, and select the letter and a yellow circle, and click again on the yellow circle to activate it as a key element. Then from the align panel, use this aligning option to align the text object exactly on the center of the circle element. Now let's select entire element and make a duplicate and place like this. Okay, then guys, you can change the colors and text on remaining circles. There we go. Now guys, I want to make it ready for print. So I have to set bleed and prepare print ready files for my clients. So let's do that. There we go. Now if I toggle to the desktop, I have a folder for source files, as well as in the print ready folder I have the print ready files. I believe you can remember how to make print ready files, how to package source files, include fonts, as I taught you in my flyer design lessons. So hope this is clear. If anything else, you can write a message. I'll be happy to assist. Thank you.